Hello children, now let us find the total surface area of a cuboid. Previously we have seen how to derive the formula. Now if length, breadth and height values are given, let us find how to find the TSA. We know that TSA of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. HL or LH you can write it as. So the length value is given as 8 and breadth value is 6 and height value is 4. So substituting these values in the given formula, we get TSA is equal to 2 into 8 into 6 plus 6 into 4 plus 4 into 8, which is equal to 2 into 8 into 6 is 48 plus 24 plus 32. So we have to add up the numbers in the brackets. So 48 plus 24 plus 32 will give you 104. So 2 into 104, which is equal to 208 centimeter square, or you can write it as square centimeters also. So TSA is area. So the unit of area is centimeter square. And this is one more example children where you have the TSA, length and height. You have to find the breadth. TSA is given as 5200 square meters, that means meter square, and length is 40 meters and the height is 20 meters. You have to find the breadth. So here breadth is unknown and TSA value is given for you. So substitute TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And we know that in the question it's given as the TSA is 5200 square meters. So 5200 is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Shifting 2 to the other side, we get 5200 by 2 is equal to L is 40. So 40 into B plus B we don't know, and the H is 20. So 20 into B plus HL is 40 into 20, which is equal to 800. 2 ones are 2600 times. So 2600 is equal to 40b plus 20b is equal to 60b plus 800. Now shift 800 to the other side. So 60b is equal to 2600 minus 800. So 60b is equal to 2600 minus 800 is 1800. So next shifting 60 to the other side, we get 50. B is equal to 1800 divided by 60. 61 are 60, 30 are. So therefore the breadth value is 30. This is the way to find 30 meters. Thank you. Hello children. Now let us just see some examples on lateral surface area of a cuboid. So every cuboid has 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. We know that LSA is equal to perimeter of the base into height. Always LSA can be written as perimeter of the base into height. So every cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. So if the perimeter of the base can be written as 2 into L plus B, as it is in the form of a rectangle, into height. 2 into L plus B into height. So therefore LSA of a cuboid is equal to 2H into L plus B. We can also write it as 2 into L plus B into H square units, as LSA is area. Now let us see the example. Length is equal to 100 meters and breadth is equal to 80 meters and height is equal to 60 meters. For the cuboid, the dimensions are given as below and we have to find the LSA. As we know that LSA of any cuboid can be written as 2 into 2H into L plus B, or even you can write it as 2 into L plus B into height also. So 2H into L plus B. So 2 into, what is the measure of height? 60 into L plus B. 100 plus 80, which is equal to 2 into 60, 120 into 100 into 80 is 180. So 120 into 180. Upon multiplying those two, we'll get the answer as 21,600 square meters. As all the dimensions are in meters, the answer is 21,600 meters square. And here the LSA is given. The length is 80 meters and the breadth is 40 meters. You should find the height. LSA of the cuboid is given as 2400 square centimeters and the length is equal to 80 centimeters, breadth is equal to 40 centimeters. We must find the height. So LSA is equal to 2h into L plus B. We know the formula for LSA is equal to 2h into L plus B. LSA is 2400 is equal to 2 into 2h into L is 80 and B is 40, no? So 2h into 80 plus 40. So 2400 is equal to 2400. So 2h into 80 plus 40 is equal to 120. 2h into 120 is equal to 2400. So 2400, 2 into 120 is 240. 240 into h is equal to 2400. So height is equal to 2400 by 240. Upon cancelling, we'll get it as 10. So therefore, the height of the given cuboid is equal to 10 centimeters. Thank you.